Everyone, hey, Nate here, Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Today I'm in Brewster, where it feels a little like autumn. Wanted to point this out. Cool cedar home here. I got a call from the homeowner. He said, hey, I want my home soft washed. Okay, I can do that. So I came and took a look, and I see this all over the place. Algae, deeply embedded, hard algae. So that's not going to go anywhere with soft washing. Soft washing is when you spray on a chemical, let it sit, you rinse it off basically with a garden hose. You let the cleaner do the work. It's great for like superficial mold and mildew, but algae like this isn't going anywhere except by power washing. Now, a lot of service providers shy away from using that term. They don't want to provoke images of, shingles being blasted away or people carving their names into the siding, anything like that. Obviously, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about professional cleaning with professional tools and professional methods to get this outer layer of algae off the shingles, exposing clean wood so it can re-weather, kind of like shaking up the Etch-a-Sketch, starting over from scratch. So that's what I'm doing here, power washing this house, and that's why I offer all methods of exterior cleaning of cedar. I haven't found any one method that's best for every situation. So what's your situation? Does your house look like this? Give me a call. Thanks.